To the next question in the word problem number 4. Alright, the next question number 4, page 73. Alright, page 73, number 4. Now, there is no need to copy the question. You just read with me from your course book. Alright, there is no need to copy it down first. No need to copy it. You just read it first with me. Okay, we read and we understand first. Then I'll explain how we do it. Alright. Okay, so just read. No need to copy. Alright. Please do not copy. Alright. So, number 4. A grocery shop is open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. For how long is the shop open each day? Alright. So, we know the shop is open from 9:30 up till 10 p.m. 10 p.m. means at night. So 9:30 in the morning right up to 10 p.m. in the night the shop is open. Alright. Now they want to know for how long. That means they want to know the duration or the time. For how long is the shop open for every day. Alright. So you can just start by drawing the timeline. Now this one has a lot of numbers. So your timeline has to be close, very close. Now I'm going to show you the exercise book. You have a look how you need to draw the timeline. Okay, you have to draw it very closely. You can't leave so many boxes space, otherwise the timeline will not fit. Alright, so you need to draw only one box difference. And you need a total of 12 boxes. You can draw 12 boxes. Alright, you can draw 12 boxes, the line. Okay, you draw a line. Now in this we know the start time and we know the end time. So the start time is 9:30 and the end time is 10:30. Alright, okay, so 9:30, next hour is 10:30. Next hour is 11:30. Next hour is 12:30. Next hour is 1:30. Next hour is 2:30. Next hour is 3:30. Next hour is 4:30. Next hour is 5:30. Next hour is 6:30. Next hour is 7:30. Next hour is 8:30. Next hour is 9:30. Now we can't go to 10:30 because it closes at 10. Okay. So the shop closes at 10 o'clock. Right. So now this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 11 hour and 12 hour. Now from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, how many minutes? 30 minutes. So the shop is open for 12 hours, 30 minutes each day. So leave a line and then you write your statement. The shop is open for 12 hours and 30 minutes each day. So you must draw the timeline closely, okay? You can't leave so much gap. I showed you the book. You can only leave one box. It has to jump in one box. Okay, the next one. Leave a line, then you write number 5. Again, number 5, no need to copy the question. Don't copy it. It's okay. Alright? We don't need to copy the question. I'm going to read it. You listen first and then I will explain it. Okay, listen first. Number 5. Bala's father left for work at 7:45 a.m. and came home 9 hours 45 minutes later. What time did he come home? So in this question, we have the start time. We don't have the end time. But what we have is the time he took. So this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour and 9 hour, and then is 45 minutes. So we have the number of hours he was out. So we don't have the end time. So what do? Draw a timeline again. Now again, these are a lot of hours. So your timeline needs to be only running in one box. Okay, now starting at 7:45. The first hour is 8:45. Second hour is 9:45. Third hour is 4:45. Fifth hour is 12:45. Sixth hour is 1:45. Seventh hour is 2:45. 8th hour is 3:45. 9th hour is 4:45. Now after this it's 9 hours and 45 minutes, not 10 hours. So we have to only add 45 minutes. So to 4:45 you add 45 minutes. Alright. Now when you add 45 minutes to 4:45 you get 4:90. But as I told you earlier, there is no such thing as 90. 90 is not the time, okay? So what we do is, we take out 1 hour. We take out 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. We take out 60 minutes and we add to the 4. We add 1 hour to the 4. So the 4 becomes 5. We are adding 1 plus 1. 1 hour is 60 minutes. We are adding 1. You can write here plus 1 if you want. Okay, so we are adding 1. Alright, so it becomes 5. And 90 minus 60 is 30. Okay, so we get 5:30. So what time we finished? We finished at 5:30. So leave a line and write down the statement. Bala's father came home at 5:30 p.m. Now he went in the morning at 7:45, so it has to be evening 5:30 p.m. Bala's father came home at 5:30 p.m. Now please copy this down. Please copy it down carefully. Okay. Now the last sum for today is number 8. Again, no need to copy the sum. We are just going to do the work. Do not copy the sum, alright? I'm going to read it. You just write number 8 in the margin and I'm going to read the sum first, alright? Now, David's aunt went to the shopping mall at 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday. She shopped for 2 hours and 30 minutes and spent 40 minutes at a cafe before she left the mall. What time did she leave the mall? So try and understand. There are 3 things to this particular question. First is what time she went to the mall, that is start time. She went at 1:30. How long did she spend in the mall? She spent 2 hours and 30 minutes in the mall. And number 3, she spent 40 minutes in the cafe. So there are 3 things. We must understand there are 3 things. First is the start time, what time she went. Second is how long she spent in the mall. Third is how long she spent in the cafe. But we can join all 3 together, alright? So I've drawn a timeline with the start time, alright? So 1:30, she started at 1:30, alright? So she spent 2.5 hours or 2 hours and 30 minutes in the mall. So 1 hour is 2:30. Second hour is 3:30. 30 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes. 30 minutes is 4 o'clock. Right? 3:30 plus 30 minutes is 4 o'clock. Alright, and then you have to add some more 40 minutes because she spent 40 minutes in the cafe. So 4 o'clock plus 40 minutes is 4:40. Right? So, what time did she leave the mall? Statement. She left the mall at 4:40 p.m. This is the statement. Please, please, please leave a line before you write the statement. Please leave space on the top to draw your jumping jacks. Alright? Now, for drawing this timeline, this is not so long. So, you can draw a short timeline of 8 boxes only. 8 boxes. This will jump in 2 boxes. Okay? Alright? So, we start at 1:30 and we finish at 4:40. She leaves the mall at 4:40. Alright? I'm going to show you the book. See how the work is done in the exercise book. This one, the bottom one. Okay? Number 8. Look at number 8. Okay, if you want, look at it again on the board. Look at it again on the board. Okay, I'm also going... So, all this work has to be done in the exercise book, alright? Okay? Okay, that's all for the lesson for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day. Alright, bye-bye.